what this is. I'm telling you, it's not COVID, but who knows? But we need 2 audience volunteers. Who's going to help us out with this game? You guys want to come up here? I was using the coffee mug you gave me this morning, actually, for breakfast. Come on up here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Actually, no, you guys are brothers. Maybe I don't need to. There's actually the stairwell's over here, I think. Come on up over there. There we go. Ushers? Ushers. Oh, I got you. Oh, it's
wait, what's going on?
Way too high-tech for ushers. All right, come on up over here. This is a game called Audience Sound Effects. Come on over here. Have a seat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What's up, what's up, what's up? Yeah. Holy crap, they got tall. All right, so that's what happens. Everybody has a growth spurt during a pandemic. Like, oh my goodness. All right, tell everybody your name.
Tristan.
And?
Diego.
Diego, and Diego became a bass too. All right, so Tristan and Diego. They're going to do a game called Audience Sound Effects. Evan and Amelia will be doing a scene. From time to time, they will say or do something. They'll inspire you guys to make crazy, wacky, wild sound effects. Let's practice. Tristan, let me hear the sound of an angry, angry dog. That got thrown off a cliff. All right, so how about the sound of a happy, happy cat? In a blender. All right, so I don't know how this is going to go, but I was going to. All right, how about the sound of a car door slamming shut? All right. That was Courtney pooping her pants again. All right. How about the sound of a jacket zippering up? Very good. Very good. All right, so the rat had a jacket. All right, so from you guys, what's the last movie you saw?
Black Widow.
Black Widow. I still need I'm waiting for it to be free. But yeah. What else? Another one. Which one? What, her Cruella? What was it over there?
The Notebook.
The Notebook? You're catching up. All right, so. What was Wolverine?
Wolverine.
Oh my goodness, you guys are all like on the old cut. What was that one I heard over here a second ago? I'm sorry.
Suicide Squad.
Suicide Squad. I'm an hour and a half through it. My HBO doesn't work. That time, it's free, but it's like, who cares if it stops every 2 minutes? All right, so, you know what, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to have a wonderful, do we want to go that way? All right, you know what? We're going to have a wonderful, wonderful scene called the Widow Squad. The Widow Squad. I was going to go with Suicidal Widow, but it's just not that kind. All right, so, Amelia and Evan, come out here so they know who's who. Tristan, why don't you be in charge of Amelia?
Oh, you won't be in charge with me, baby. You've been making the sound effects for me. Be clear.
Preach.
I just need everyone to be clear on how that works.
I get it now. You make sounds for her. All right, so, and you'll make sounds for Evan, or just keep making crazy, wacky, wild sounds. We'll see how that goes. So without further ado, the Widow Squad. Give her some. What is it called? The Widow Squad.
What a beautiful day. It's so lovely now that my husband is dead.
Ooh, I need some ICP on this day today.
Oh, I know. Listen to all those lovely birds chirping. They chirp so low.
I think the bird is mute.
Little birdie, can you chirp louder for me?
Sure.
Oh, that bird is possessed. I've seen this on those horror movies.
Do you think it's the soul of Joel? My husband who was at the party.
Oh, Joe, I hate Joe.
Oh, because he's a horrible person.
Yeah, he's dead for a reason.
I'm Scary Joe.
Oh.
Joel, you came back as the most annoying bird ever.
I still need to pay child support.
What is that?
I still need to pay child support.
You said
words, Joel. I still don't understand.
I think I need to call 911 because I did not understand that. One more time, Joel.
Do I still need to pay child support?
No, I got all your money now. I don't need you to write a check to death. Oh, Presley, he's even a problem in there.
I don't like Joel at all. He makes me very uncomfortable.
Why not?
Listen to my heartbeat. Oh, sorry. It came out my pants. And put it back in. It's good now. It's good now.
I'm glad that worked out.
Yeah, it's good. It comes out. It's like operation.
I didn't buzz or nothing. Your hands are
I am really nimble. Oh, my buzz! Oh, sorry, that was my beeper. Yeah, I'm from the 90s. I'm pressing it like it's a cell phone, but it ain't. No, I can't call anyone.
Oh,
It's alive! It's alive! My beeper's alive!
Wait, maybe your husband, your dear departed.
My dead party husband. Oh, yeah, that's Bobby, all right. Bobby, are you there?
I'm also here. I have to same voice as Joe, but I'm in fact Bobby.
Bobby steals identities from people, so, you know, that makes sense that he sounds like Joe.
I should be more bothered by that, but I have no problem with that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Bobby. I'm assuming you're not the same place Joel is.
We're both in hell.
Oh.
They're in hell.
I guess stealing from people puts you in hell. Does it, Bobby?
I think, but I wasn't quite clear when I joined here. I just kind of fell in a hole. Please help me.
All right, I really hate Bobby. I'm not gonna help him. Drop him in the
Oh, I thought it was gonna be interesting.
No, Bobby's gone. Bye, Bobby.
Okay, so now that Bobby's gone, we can get to the real business. I'm ready to go on vacation to Cancun.
I love Cancun.
Oh, yes, I do. So let me go over here, open my computer, and turn it on. It will make a beat. All right,
That's a nice beat. That's how you know it's good. Apple.
It's not like that bird. Let me just tip tap on these keys. Cancun.
The keys aren't working.
Wait,
Tip tap.
it sounds
Tip
like
tap on the keys.
Tip tap.
Thank you.
they're onomatopoeia keys.
Yeah, they do
I love
that. They do that. They're good.
Oh, wait. Oh, we're on the splash page for Cancun. Listen to that little song it's playing.
Oh, I love that song. You know that reminds me of my favorite song. I love singing it. I'm gonna sing it for you right now, okay?
Please do.
Here we go. Everybody dance now.